And we could be in for some snowball fights just a little bit later this week with some snow in the forecast. Let's put things in perspective because there are some posts out there on social media showing some particular computer models with over a foot of snow in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. The possibility of that happening is pretty remote, and especially when you look at the numbers over the past decades here. February 2021, we had a 5-inch snow at DFW. That, of course, was during the brutally cold outbreak here in North Texas. Super Bowl week 2011, we had 4 inches of snow officially at DFW. And then the record breaker back in 2010, also in February, where we saw over a foot of snow. So at least officially at DFW, a snowfall measuring 4 inches or more with a single storm has happened only 3 times in the past 45 years. There have been a few other instances where, for instance, far northern portions of the Metroplex had a big snow, but we only had maybe 2 or 3 inches at DFW. But you get the idea. It's truly a rare event to see that much snow. Not going to see any tomorrow or Wednesday. It remains dry and cold, but beginning very early Thursday morning, we're going to see a wintry mix with slick spots developing, and that will go over to snow here in the Metroplex and points north and west, picking up in earnest as we head through the afternoon hours. Road conditions will go downhill pretty rapidly. Thursday night, periods of heavy snow, and then it will taper off to scattered snow showers as we head into Friday morning. But major issues likely on the roadways. This is what we can tell you right now. The best chances for accumulating snow will be from Dallas and Fort Worth to the north and west. That's where we could potentially see accumulations of 4 inches or greater. To the south and southeast, where we expect more of a wintry mix, snow, sleet, maybe even some freezing rain, lighter accumulations are expected. High temperature today reached 40 after starting out very cold early at 21 degrees. Right now, we are at 33 in Dallas, 32 in Fort Worth, already into the upper 20s in McKinney, so another hard freeze on the way tonight. North wind now blowing at 9 miles an hour. This is a look at temperatures early tomorrow morning, right around 8 o'clock. 23, 24 degrees in the Metroplex, low 20s. Sulphur Springs, 22 Canton, 23 Meridian, and a few upper teens to our northwest. And this cold air mass has overspread much of the country right now. We've got single digits up in Wichita and Omaha, even as far south as New Orleans. It's 37 and 31 at this hour in Atlanta. So high clouds continuing to move in from the west ahead of our developing storm that's just located right now just east of Lake Tahoe. This will continue to dive southward here, and it's going to be in a favorable location to really pump in some high and mid-level Pacific moisture, feeding the opportunity here for accumulating snowfall. The clouds mixed with some sun tomorrow. I think we'll see thicker cloud cover as we head through the afternoon on Wednesday. I'll pause it here early Thursday morning. There will be just a little layer of warm air aloft, so that I think it initially will begin as a wintry mix here in the Metroplex, but as we head towards noon and the atmosphere cools, it will likely go over to snow, but remain a wintry mix to our south and southeast. Snow heavy at times, I think, Thursday evening and Thursday night. That snow will continue early Friday morning, but should move out pretty rapidly, I think. By lunchtime, most locations will see the precipitation come to an end. Here's a look at your day planner. Starting out early tomorrow morning, right around 23 to 24, 33 by lunchtime. Look for an afternoon high the next couple of days in the upper 30s. And then that winter storm looming on the horizon there Thursday into early Friday. Friday afternoon, it all ends 36 degrees. 42 Saturday, sunshine. That'll start the melting, and more melting will take place Sunday and Monday with highs in the mid-40s.